Millions of indigenous people in Mexico were enslaved by European colonizers. 1521, after Hernán Cortés toppled the Aztec Empire, the Spanish forced entire communities into bondage. Under the system of encomiendas, indigenous men, women, and children were handed over to Spanish settlers, forced to labor in fields, workshops, and silver mines. The work was relentless. In mines like Zacatecas, thousands toiled in darkness, often until death from exhaustion or collapse. On haciendas, indigenous women faced double oppression, forced into both labor and exploitation. Disease had already devastated the population, but slavery and brutal conditions drove numbers even lower. Despite a royal decree banning indigenous slavery in 1542, it continued under new names like repartimientos, ensuring forced labor never truly ended. For centuries, their suffering was overshadowed by the African slave trade, but in Mexico, millions of indigenous people endured generations of enslavement. Had you heard of this hidden chapter of history?